In previous lecture, we discussed regarding velocity diagram. As we know that how to draw velocity diagram, for that we are complete the procedure at where we are taking scale, speed is given to us, and based on the velocity, based on the diagram, space diagram, we are find the velocity of AO, which is 2.83 meter per second. Based on that, we are finding first the link AO, and that we are 1 after that, or with the reference of AO, we are finding all the remaining branches, remaining links, and we are finished whole diagram of velocity with the answer, as we discussed in the previous lecture also, that velocity of OD, velocity of OD, velocity of OD we are considered as a velocity of D, that is 2.36 meter per second. After that, velocity of CD is 1.2 meter per second. Velocity of AB is 1.8 meter per second, and velocity of PB is 1.5 meter per second. Now we start for the acceleration diagram. As we know that if we want to find the acceleration diagram, on that time we have to just find initially that which are the fixed point. Here we are know that O and P are the fixed points, so it may be considered as a dash point, that O dash and P dash. So just put first O dash P dash randomly at anywhere. Just put O dash P dash randomly at anywhere. Find the radial part of AO, AB, radial part of BP, and radial part of DC. As we know the radial part of AO, we have the equation for all the radial part, that is V square by V square of that link divided by length of that link in meter. If we talk about the radial part of AB, on that time V square AB by AB, so we are getting 1.8. आपका जो भी आंसर है वो आपको लिखना है. यहाँ पे मेरा आंसर है 1.8 for velocity of AB, so 1.8 square divided by 0.45. So I am getting the answer is 7.2 meter per second square. Velocity of acceleration, radial part acceleration of AB, which I am getting 7.2 meter per second square. Same way, radial part of AO is 53.3 meter per second square. As we have the equation V square AB by AB or V square AO by AO, or we are use the equation for AO, that omega square AO by into AO. A radial part of BP is equal to 9.4 meter per second square. of radial part of BP is equal to 9.4 meter per second square, and acceleration of the radial part of CD or DC is equal to 2.2 meter per second square. Just verify your answer and hope so your answer is within this limit. Now, as we know that O and P are the fixed point, therefore these points lie at one place in the acceleration diagram. Draw O dash A dash parallel to OA, draw O dash A dash parallel to OA, draw O dash A dash parallel to OA with some suitable scale which is represent the radial part of OA, that is 53.3 meter per second square. Now with suitable scale, after getting A dash, we are focused here the link AB. There is no any acceleration given to us, there is no alpha given to us, so we have to use both the link, that radial and tangential part. From point A dash, draw vector A dash x, draw vector A dash x parallel to AB, and that is equal to 7.2 meter per second square. Now from point X, draw XB dash perpendicular to the vector A dash x, or we can say that AB perpendicular to AB to represent the tangential component of the acceleration of B with respect to A, whose magnitude is yet unknown. So we keep it in same position. We don't know the XB dash length. Now from point P dash, draw vector P dash y, parallel to PB to represent the radial component of the acceleration of the B with respect to P. Draw vector P dash y parallel to of PB, which is 9.4 meter per second square. From point Y, draw perpendicular line of PB which may intersect, as we know that AB and PB are intersected B, so same way the tangential part of AB and PB are intersect at point B dash. join P dash B dash. The vector P dash B dash represents the acceleration of the B. The vector P dash to B dash, which is represent as a acceleration of the point B. Now point C is, as we know that point C is lies on PB. So we know the equation, we know the ratio equation, and we are use that equation to maintain point C. And for that we have the equation that P dash B dash divided by P dash C dash is equal to capital PB by PC. I repeat the equation, already you know, already we discussed regarding same equation, that P dash B dash by P dash C dash is equal to capital PB by capital PC, where capital letters for space diagram and small letter for the small letter with dash with the acceleration diagram. As we know that we have the answer of the link like P dash B dash, PB and PC. So we are getting the answer of P dash C dash. Okay, so we are getting the answer of P dash C dash. Now draw C dash Z. Now draw C dash Z, which is parallel to CD. C dash Z, which is parallel to CD. To represent the radial component of the acceleration of the D with respect to C. So we are getting, as we know that the CD radial part, it is equal to 2.2 meter per second square. So based on that we are taking respective scale and we are get the Z point. After that, from point Z, draw ZD dash, ZD dash perpendicular to vector C dash Z or CD to represent the tangential component of the acceleration of the D with respect to C, but its magnitude is here unknown. So we are just draw this line in this way. As we know that from point O dash, draw vector O dash D dash parallel to the path of D. Okay, parallel to the path of D. ये जो path है उसी path के parallel we have to take from O and it may be intersect at D dash. So from point O dash, draw vector O dash D dash parallel to the path of motion D to represent the acceleration of the D. The vector ZD dash and O dash D dash intersect at D dash. As you can see it here, it may intersect at D dash. Join C dash D dash. Join C dash D dash. If we measure, then we are getting the acceleration of the link D is equal to 69.6 meter per second square. Acceleration of the link D, or we are considered as a O dash D dash. It is called as a 69 meter per second square. angular velocity, after that angular acceleration of CD. Alpha CD is equal to ATCD by CD, or we can say that tangential part of CD divided by capital CD in meter. So 17.4 divided by 0.66. Our answer is in 26.3 radian per second square. We are getting in anti-clockwise direction. Just find the answer, find the instruction, complete the answer as per suggest by me. Yet if you have query, then you can ask me and give me the answer of tangential part of CD, alpha of CD. So we just compare your answer. Your answer should be within 5% limit.